everyone, welcome you guys in day 10. We are doing 14-day weight loss challenge. People who are looking for fat loss, so start doing these workout challenges from day 1 and complete till day 14. This gonna be very helpful for you guys. You will surely see some difference in your body. You will feel so tone your body in day 14. Alright, so let's get started with today's workout. Alright guys, so we are going to start today's workouts. In today's workout we are going to do lower body, where we are focusing your mobility and your lower body strength. Also we have warm up. In the first warm up exercise we have spot jogging. So for that you have to jog at your place with your both the legs like this. Okay, so let's get started for next 30 seconds and go. Very nice. Keep doing. Alright, so we have completed the first warm-up. Now we are moving forward for the second. So the next is lateral lunges. For that you have to open your legs, slightly toe out and hip back and go side to side. Very nice. We'll do this movement for next 30 seconds and go. Yeah, you will feel the stretch in your hamstring. Keep doing. Good job. Push your hip back. Keep smiling. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And relax. Alright, so we have completed 2 warm-up exercises. Now we will do the squat one. This is the last warm-up. So just guys, make sure you are keeping your chest up and back straight and knee in line with the toe. Very nice. And join your hands. Drop your knee. Keep your core tight. Good. So we'll do this movement for next 30 seconds. Let's go. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax. Alright, so we have completed our warm-up round. Now we'll do the workout. Today's workout, it's a lower body workout where we are going to mobilize our joints. Also we are focusing on lower body muscles. Okay, so we have first exercise is a squat. So we'll do this movement for next 30 seconds. But how we will do? So just keep your toe out. Okay, so we'll keep our chest up, back straight, and we'll go down slowly and keep your hip back. Very nice. And up. We'll do again we'll go down and come up. Good. Alright, so guys, make sure you are keeping your chest up. Let's do for next 30 seconds and go. Okay, now we have last 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax. Alright guys, so we have completed our first exercise. Now we'll do the second exercise is lunges. For that we have to keep it right posture, otherwise this is not gonna work in our body. So guys, it is very important to do it in right way. Every exercise, every workout so that it will affect you more in your body. So the second exercise is lunges. For that we'll have to keep our one leg forward and one will be back and toe slightly out. Yes. Now we'll go down. Yes. And let's keep your hands your waist. Good. Now switch. Yeah, like this. And we'll come up and again. Good. Alright, so now we'll do this movement for next 5 seconds. So let's get started and go. So guys, you can do it fast as well. The people who are beginners, so go with the easy like this. Yeah, take one leg forward, one back and go with the easy. And the people who are in advance, go with the fast movement of this workout. Now last 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Relax. Alright, now we have completed our second movement. Now we'll do the third is mountain climber. For that you have to go down, keep your all four position and come into high plank position. Yes, body will be one line. Keep your one leg in and out. We'll do this movement repeatedly and body will be one line. Very nice. Let's do this movement for next 30 seconds and go. Last 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Relax, take your Alright guys, so we have completed the third exercise. Now we are moving forward for the last exercise is sumo squat. For that you have to keep your legs open and toe out. Yes, and we'll go down slowly. So just go down and knee in line with the toe. Yeah, keep your legs out. Yes, we'll go down and up. We'll do this movement again, go down and up. Alright, so let's get started for next 30 seconds and go. Alright, last 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Relax. Alright guys, so we have completed this amazing workout, lower body workout, where we are focusing so many muscles of lower body. Okay guys, so apart from this, the people who are advanced at least do 3 or 4 rounds of the same workout, which we have 4 exercises. So guys, start again from starting exercise, okay, and then again do it and complete it 2 to 3 rounds. And the people who are beginners, so at least do the 2 rounds of the same workout, because it is very important to do repeatedly so that your muscle will be activate. Okay, so let's do this second round. So guys, start replay again of the same workout. Okay, alright, now we will start the stretching part. The first exercise is quad stretch. For that, keep your toe up, slightly bend your knee, and now we'll go down and feel the stretch in your hamstring and go. Very nice. will go down and come up. Yes, like this. Let's do with one leg. Good. Nice. Keep doing, guys, and feel relaxed. Now switch. Good. And last 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Relax. Now second movement is standing glute stretch. For that you have to come in the standing position and bend your knee towards your chest. Nice, like this. Make sure you are balancing your body. Good. Keep breathing. Relax. Good. And switch. Now we'll do the same movement with the other leg. Good. Bend your knee, keep your chest up. Good. Now switch with the other leg. Good. And now with the other leg again. And relax. Alright guys, so we have completed this amazing workout of lower body where we were focusing a lot of muscles like hamstring, glutes, quads. Also the people who want to start these challenges start from day 1 and complete till day 14. It is very important to start from day 1. Also guys, if you want to get update of my upcoming videos, don't forget to subscribe this channel so you will get the notification of my all the videos which I am going to post in the next few days. Alright guys, so I'll see you in this soon, and till then stay tuned. Goodbye and have a nice day. So guys, bye bye.